The latest generation of natural language processing technology is here. GPT-4 has finally been released. This revolutionary language generator promises to break new boundaries in how we interact with AI-driven robots. With its unique capabilities, GPT-4 can power a range of possibilities from natural language processing, to personalized chatbots, to automated scripts. With ChatGPT, you can now unleash the power of GPT-4 in your own projects. GPT-4 has an impressive set of features which allow for a wide range of uses. It can generate natural language phrase, in both English and many other languages, with context-sensitive corrections and suggestions. GPT-4 is also capable of machine learning, which allows it to learn from and adapt to different users' input needs. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of purposes, including auto-generated scripts, natural language processing, automated surveys, and more. The full potential of GPT-4 is still unknown. However, it can already be used for a variety of tasks such as auto-generating scripts or surveys. Automating these processes not only saves time but also improves accuracy, ultimately leading to better user experience and satisfaction. GPT-4 could be especially useful when dealing with repetitive customer inquiries, for example. GPT-4 allows for greater personalization when interacting with customers. By understanding their context and preferences, ChatGPT will be better able to tailor the conversation accordingly and provide a more personal experience for customers. This means better customer service, easier customer onboarding, and improved customer retention rates. GPT-4 is the future of natural language processing and personalization artificial intelligence. It will revolutionize the way we communicate with AI-driven robots, which will make it easier and more efficient. We can now look forward to a world where AI-driven robots provide us with personalized customer service and more efficient automated processes.